Please subscribe.
After doing some body work on the panel here, I'm going to sand it with 80 grit. I bought this sander at Harbor Freight, this Warrior sander. It has Velcro for attaching the sanding pads, which is pretty cool. Now it's sanded down, I'll get ready to paint. You can see some of the spots where I could have feathered in a little bit better, but being an industrial machine, it's good for what it is at right now. I added the Rex C100 PID temper control digital display you're seeing there, and here's the panel done. Came out pretty good. I did add an on and off switch to this panel, but you don't see that here. That was in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.